How would you like to access 800 million fresh leads that are probably not looking at the stuff you're putting up on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok? If so, stay with me. I got something really, really special to tell you about in my review of the LinkedIn Training Kit PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime, man in the hat.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because I make the same jokes every single time. I get it. I'm a boring person. I make boring dad jokes. I'm not even a dad, at least not yet anyhow. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche. And my way to such a thing in my as well is very, very simple. So make sure that you don't know buy much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. That guy drives me crazy all the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety. He's so annoying. Anyway, but seriously, if you're new, the way these work, if I like your product, I will give you a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. So, I missed Liz this morning on my video this morning. She's back again. Thank God. Not that weird guy talking about being everything except for an entrepreneur. But anyway, but seriously, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, be notified when I drop my videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the LinkedIn Training Kit. It's from my friend Vikram. Now, Vikram puts together really high quality courses, typically with PLR rights. In this particular case, he's got two different options. I'm going to show you the option in just a second. Before I do that, though, I do want to tell you about my own custom bonus because I always have the best custom bonuses around for pretty much anything. And in this case, I got something really special. I have my own course on LinkedIn that I created a while back. I didn't end up releasing it, but it's been recorded, and I'm going to give you full PLR rights to my own course when you pick this up for me. So you're going to get the complete LinkedIn Training Kit, either with PLR or with personal rights. I'll show you in a moment what your options are. I highly recommend getting the PLR version, but either way, you're going to get PLR to my own LinkedIn course as well. And you can rebrand it, you can sell it, you can give it away, do whatever you want with it. I'm also going to give you 300 logo templates. These are important because this means you can actually rebrand all the content from the LinkedIn Training Kit with your own logo. So if you don't have a logo, you'll be able to make them. I'm going to show you how to do that completely for free. Plus, I'm also going to give you my sales page secrets course, which is going to teach you how to go ahead and customize this so you can make the maximum amount of money by selling these things. You can even sell them on LinkedIn if you want to, by the way. Okay, it's really, really good stuff. If you pick up any upgrade worth at least $20 to the LinkedIn Training Kit, I am also going to throw in PLR, something I've never, ever done before. I'm going to give you PLR to my SSS strategy course. Okay, I've never given this away before. I've given the course, I've never given away PLR to SSS strategy because it's one of my best courses ever. I'm going to give you SSS strategy, plus I'm going to give you PLR to my course on an offer versus a commodity. These are two of my best courses, which I rarely give away because they're really top quality stuff that really teach some deep, dark secrets about how to make real money. You're going to get both of those included completely, totally for free when you pick up any upgrade worth at least $20 to the LinkedIn Training Kit. Now, if you pick up the entire funnel to the LinkedIn Training Kit, I'm doing something very, very special. I have something called Make a Product with Eric. Now, it usually costs $497 or $297 if you get the partial do-it-yourself version. Basically, both versions do the same job. The difference is that the $297 version, you have to do a little bit more effort on your own. But either way, basically the idea is that you can bank off of my personal name. So if you pick up the entire funnel of the LinkedIn Training Kit, I'm going to give you Make a Product with Eric as a free gift. You're going to get the do-it-yourself version, of course, not the version that we customize for you. You'll customize it yourself. You get all the materials included though. So all you're gonna have to do is go ahead and actually follow the instructions to do it. It's gonna save you $297, which is the actual price that I actually charge people. To purchase this, you're gonna get it completely free when you pick up the entire fund of the LinkedIn training kit. Okay, and let me show you the options here all the way at the bottom of the sales page. And you'll understand why I would highly recommend getting the PLR version of this. Okay, I've got the personal use version just because I didn't need it, but the PLR version is $1 extra. So it's $11.95 versus $13.95. I highly recommend get the PLR version because basically that means you're going to get all of the graphics, all the sales pages and everything. And with my sales page secrets, you're going to know how to go ahead and customize this thing completely for free, using all the materials that come with it. Now, this is the members area. Of course, you can see here, everything is included. Okay, and you're going to get all of this material included with your package completely for free, all the graphics, everything included completely for free with the basic package. Okay, again, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give the PLR to two of my best courses. I'm going to give the PLR to the Triple S strategy plus my course on commodities versus offers, and pick up the full funnel. I'm going to give you the DIY version of Make a Product with Eric, which I've never given away as a bonus. I'm doing that with this one though, and it's a $297 value, real world value, not fake value. Fake value. I mean, look, really, truthfully, the value is probably like a couple $1,000 because you bank off of my name as one of the top creators on Warrior Plus and now on JB Zoo. But you're going to be able to get that included as a bonus. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir. Yeah,
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. This is really, really good. I've always liked LinkedIn because you don't get the same people on LinkedIn that you get on Instagram or Facebook. And the people who come to LinkedIn tend to be more like the kind of people that are interested in business. They want to make more money. And so you're going to get higher quality leads off of LinkedIn than you're going to get off of Facebook or Instagram. So I really highly recommend you grab this. This one you're going to love.